Hello everyone! Welcome back to Holy Connection. Today we're delving into the life of Saint Cornelius, the saint of the day on the 16th of September, known for his unwavering leadership of the early church. Born in Rome, Saint Cornelius was elected pope in 251 AD and found himself at the heart of a divided church. The debate was intense. Should Christians who renounced their faith under persecution be allowed back into the church? Cornelius, showing a heart full of compassion, said yes. He believed in forgiveness and second chances. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. He faced fierce opposition from a rival faction led by an anti-pope named Novatian. Despite the challenges, Cornelius remained steadfast, showing true leadership and unwavering faith. Fast forward to the year 253 AD, and the Roman Emperor Decius was on a mission to crush Christianity. Cornelius was exiled and later martyred for his faith. His story reminds us that standing up for what you believe in, no matter the cost, is a powerful act of bravery. What makes Saint Cornelius' story even more remarkable is how his legacy of forgiveness and unity shaped the church. His decisions helped pave the way for a more inclusive and understanding Christian community. So, why should young adults today care about Saint Cornelius? Because his life teaches us about resilience, compassion, and the importance of standing up for what's right. In a world that's often divided, his commitment to unity and forgiveness is incredibly relevant. If you found Saint Cornelius' story inspiring, hit that like button and subscribe Holy Connection for more stories of incredible saints. Until next time, stay inspired and keep spreading the Christian love. See ya!